Bananacue is a popular Filipino street food made from deep-fried bananas coated in caramelized sugar. Here's how you can make it at home. Ingredients: ripe saba bananas plantains, peeled and cut into halves or thirds. Brown sugar, cooking oil for frying. Bamboo skewers or toothpicks. Instructions: prepare bananas. Peel the saba bananas and cut them into halves or thirds, depending on your preference. You can also leave them whole if you prefer larger pieces. Skewer the bananas. Insert bamboo skewers or toothpicks into each banana piece. This will make them easier to handle and fry. Coat with sugar. Roll each banana piece in brown sugar, ensuring they're evenly coated. You can press the sugar onto the bananas to help it stick better. Heat the oil in a deep frying pan or pot. Heat cooking oil over medium-high heat. Make sure there's enough oil to submerge the bananas. Fry the bananas. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the sugar-coated bananas to the pan in batches. Fry them until they turn golden brown and caramelized, flipping them occasionally to ensure even cooking. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Drain excess oil. Once the bananas are cooked and caramelized, remove them from the oil using tongs or a slotted spoon. Place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Cool and serve. Allow the bananacue to cool for a few minutes before serving. You can enjoy them on their own as a snack or dessert. Optional: if you want to enhance the flavor, you can sprinkle some sesame seeds over the bananacue before serving. Store any leftovers. If you have any leftover bananacue, you can store them in an airtight container at room temperature for a day or two. Reheat them in the oven or microwave before serving if desired. Enjoy your homemade bananacue. It's a delicious and satisfying treat that's perfect for snacking or dessert.